Water is essential for life. Unlike other commodities, it's vital for us to function. Although the water cycle's renewable, if you take out more out of one part of it than you put back in, then you have a problem. And if we put more and more people into a relatively fixed area and don't put any controls on how much water they use, is it really a shock? We're coming up against a problem and the water resources are coming under stress? I don't think so. After having just experienced an 8-year drought in Australia, surely we would anticipate that we would have, particularly in a region like California, we would have extremes. And as we have climate change impacting on those extremes, they would become more extreme. What we're really seeking is permanent behavioural change. We're also seeking a change in the way in which we use or consider the use of water from an industrial perspective or from an agricultural perspective, and even in the way in which we use water within our development of our energy sources. Australia is an interesting place to learn from. We saw quite major infrastructure solutions around Australia. We've constructed drought relief pipelines where people have lots of water through to areas where there's been less water. We saw the development of large desalination plants. That's quite a capital-intensive solution, but a reliable one. We're looking at a revolution, really. The way in which we value water, capture it, store it, reuse it, recycle it. The way we work with this natural water cycle that we all learn at school and then seem to forget about when we go to work, and how we can incorporate green space to ensure that our catchments behave much more naturally than historically they would have done. We have to think about what we can do personally, what we can do corporately, even what we could do regionally or nationally to make the most of this precious resource.